Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to fix if your Uber Eats isn't accepting payment method. So first of all, you need to open your Uber Eats app. Then you need to click the account in the bottom right, go to wallet and go to your payment methods. So first of all, you can try to delete your current payment method. Just select your current payment method, click edit button on the top right and remove the payment method, then click save. So once you will remove your payment method, then go to add payment method and re-enter your payment method, guys. If it's still not working, you can try another payment method. For example, you can try to use PayPal or just link another bank account to your Uber Eats. So you can try to do this. So if it's still not working, you can do another thing. You can reinstall your app. Just delete your Uber Eats app from your mobile phone and then go to Google Play or Play Store and download Uber Eats again on your device, guys. Just go to search for Uber Eats and download Uber Eats app to your mobile phone or your device. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.